Every day is a fresh start, and every year is a fresh start. Today I am doing a what I eat in a day video and a 2024 introduction and a 2023 recap. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day and what's going on in my life, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Well, it has been a long time since I've posted a video. Every year in the beginning of January, I usually post a video to start my resolutions for the new year. And the last 2 years, I have not been good. 2 years ago, I did a vision board. That didn't work. Last year, I did a wallpaper for my phone. That didn't work. So this year, I'm not going to do either of those things. I'm going to just try to lose weight. Honestly, in the last year, I've gained 25 pounds. I have not lost weight. I'm too inconsistent. Especially in the last month of December, I did horribly. I probably gained 7 of those pounds in December. And every Monday or every first of the month, I have intentions of starting. And I did create some videos or attempted to create videos, but never even uploaded them because I just never followed through. I would do maybe 3 or 4 good days for the week, 2 or 3 bad days for the week. And when your bads are worse than your goods, it's not going to get you anywhere. So the last time I posted a video, someone commented on my video that said, it's hard to follow when you're so erratic or inconsistent in posting. And I can understand that comment. It's very true, because why would you want to follow me if I'm not even following the plan myself? I know I've posted, I had lost up to 128 pounds on Weight Watchers, which was really good. I do know what it takes to lose weight. I can honestly say I know what to do. It's my mind doesn't let me do it. It's like the temptations of having something there that I could eat and probably overeat is very hard for me. I think when you're doing a Weight Watcher program or any diet, you could do it in the beginning. You can do it really good, and then once you get off track, I know there is a lot of people that, I would say YouTubers that have, or anybody that post on Instagram and stuff, people do start and they do good. When they try to recapture that feeling they had when they were so successful, it's hard to find that. You really do have to get into a groove. So I think what I'm going to try to do these first couple weeks of January, I'm going to try to avoid sugar. I think sugar increases my appetite and makes me want to eat more. So like, even if I would have, let's say 1 sweet item, it would make me want more. And I do find if I don't eat in the day, my appetite is under control. Like, I don't wake up and I'm hungry. I usually want a cup of coffee, but I'm not really hungry. So I find that if I delay my time to eat, then I can be have a pretty good day. I don't like to make a lot of excuses for why I have not followed the plan. I know when I have food around, that is a very bad deterrent. So if I have some cookies, or my husband has some of his snacks around, and I eat them, it just can set me off, I should say, because I don't have any. When I like some food, I'll just like to eat it. So I really need to measure my food. I think that is a one big thing. I mean, I've been paying for Weight Watchers. I don't always track, but you have to track. You have to track. It's very important. You have to measure. It's very important. Because honestly, Weight Watchers, you can eat the foods you want, but you do have to portion them. So if I want popcorn, I can't just sit there and eat popcorn out of a bowl because, you know, especially if it's not the kind that's 0 points, it's very easy food to overeat. And honestly, you have to measure everything. You have to track everything. You have to drink water, and you do have to get some form of exercise in. That was always the key to my success. Drinking water, eating my points, and stopping when you reach the points, and exercise. And those, which usually is what I do, is walking. But those are the 3 keys for me to lose weight. I know I've done it in the past. I mean, I was down 115 pounds. Then I gained 60 back. Then I lost it back down to 128 pounds. And now I've gained a lot of it back. So I just gotta get on track. I'm sick of looking in the mirror and looking and saying, oh my God. You know, it's like, I just hate it. I'm not a youngster or anything, but I freaking hate looking in the mirror and seeing how much weight I gained. It just makes me miserable. More than a number on the scale, looking in a mirror, looking sideways and seeing that my back's gotten bigger and my stomach's gotten bigger. Sideways is the one that does the worst, but I just really hate it. So I'm going to try and do this again. I'm going to be posting some videos. I'm going to post what I ate today to start it off and start off my new program. And I do have quite a bit of points that I can have, but I'm not going to constantly eat that many points. And I might not eat breakfast every day. I might eat it late. So that's what I'm going to do. Today, I did not eat breakfast. I, in fact, ate a very late lunch. So I will post what I ate today, and you could see how I'm going about it. And I'm going to try to post regularly videos of what I eat in the day. I am once again starting my year off traveling. I'm going to be going to Florida next week for my poker dealing job at the Hard Rock. So I will be there, and then I am going on a few cruises, and I have some other jobs posted in the spring. So I will try to stick with it. I know I've been there before. I know what the temptations are, so I just really have to think about what I look like in the mirror. Maybe that will inspire me. Another inspiration is we go to Cedar Point. My granddaughter says, please, Grandma, please lose the weight so you can go on the roller coasters with me. So, fingers crossed. I'm going to try to do that for this year. So, I hope you come along and watch me as I start my journey again. Today's video is what I eat in the day. And then we will go from there and see how 2024 works out for me. I'm going to post a couple pictures here of some things I saw at the end of the year that I thought were funny regarding weight loss. But, you know, if you don't start now, you won't see the results later, because even if I would have lost 10 pounds for the whole year last year, I would have still been 35 pounds less. And, you know, you just got to take it one day at a time, one step at a time, one meal at a time. Track everything you eat. Wash it down with water. Drink water before, because that water really, really, really flushes away the food. So hopefully I can get this done, and if you have any interest at all, come on along and follow me as I lose weight in 2024. For lunch, I had a sandwich. I had some of this Oscar Mayer white turkey bologna. It's 2 points for 3 slices. And the Sara Lee white bread, 45 calorie, which is 2 points for 2 slices. So that's a 4-point sandwich. Then for dinner, I made a salad. I used some lettuce, and I used some Just Bare chicken nuggets, some eggs. I put some cranberries on it. I used cucumbers, tomatoes, and some bacon, 1 point's worth of that. And it's 1 point per slice. And then I put some fat-free cheddar cheese on it, and I used 1 point of that. I used some of these everything baked crackers as croutons. So it was, I think, 3 points for 3 crackers. And then the dressing I used was this Bolthouse Farms Classic Ranch, and I used 5 tablespoons of that for 4 points. With everything, that salad was 19 total points. Then for a snack, I had a Honey Crisp apple. I sliced it up, and 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, and that was a 7-point snack. And that ended my day of eating. So that's going to be the end of this video. I used 30 Weight Watcher points for the day. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Happy New Year. Hope we all have a successful 2024. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.